Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete your Polymarket account. The first step is to withdraw all funds from your Polymarket account. Open your account and check your balance. Make sure you transfer any money you have to your bank wallet or another platform. Also, review your open positions and cancel any active orders. After withdrawing all your funds and confirming that your account balance is zero, go to the top right corner of the page. Hover over your profile icon. A menu will appear. From the options, select Support. This will open a chat with Polymarket's AI support bot. In the chat, type that you want to delete your Polymarket account. The bot will guide you through the next steps. It will ask for your wallet address. Make sure to provide the correct address associated with your account. Next, the bot will ask for the reason why you want to delete your account. You can type a short explanation. Then, it will ask you to change your account bio to the word delete. This is a required step so the system can verify your request. After you have provided all the requested information, submit your request. The support team will review it. Once your request is approved, your account will be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.